In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bundle items for sale on Vestiaire Collective. This process is ideal if you're looking to streamline the sale of multiple items, or if you simply want to offer a more enticing package for potential buyers. So let's dive right into it. First off, you want to open up your web browser and search for Vestiaire Collective. This is the platform we'll be using today, and it should appear as the first result in your search engine. Once you find it, go ahead and click on that link to enter the website. Once you're on the Vestiaire Collective homepage, you need to locate the Sign In button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to log into your account. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring that there are no typing errors that could prevent access. If you do encounter any login issues, there's usually a Forgot Password option for you to recover your account. After successfully logging in, head over to your account by clicking on the profile icon. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all your account settings and sales. From there, navigate to the Account Settings. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area since it can be handy when managing your listings and overall account preferences. Once in your account settings, you'll see various options related to your Vestiaire Collective account. The one we're interested in today is Listings. So click on Listings to view all the items you currently have up for sale. This is where you can manage your inventory and take necessary actions like editing or bundling items. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of every item you've listed for sale on Vestiaire Collective. If you're new to selling on this platform and have no items listed yet, this page will guide you through the process of listing your first item. However, assuming you've got a few items listed, the next step is to select the specific items you'd like to bundle together. Carefully review your listings and decide which items make sense to combine as a bundle. Bundling can provide value to buyers, particularly if the items complement each other aesthetically or functionally. Remember, the goal is to make these bundles appealing, offering potential savings for buyers or simply the convenience of purchasing items that go well together. After selecting your chosen items, you'll be prompted through the final steps, which might include adjusting the overall price or adding a description that highlights the benefits of purchasing the bundle, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to bundle items for sale on Vestiaire Collective. This approach can help increase your sales potential, save on shipping costs, and enhance the appeal of your items to buyers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.